All right, today we're gonna bring a multi-tool pen. If you guys can see it, this one actually has rulers for inches, centimeters, and so forth. Now the actual pen has an actual balance, if you guys can see it, and it's pretty neat. If you don't have a larger one or you're on the road, it has a clip. You could clip it on. This is perfect. We're in a wood shop right now. We're actually gonna set it up and start using it now. Included with it, this is another tool. It's a multi-tool tool. Also included with it, it has a LED light, it has a can opener, and you can also use it as a pen. And I forgot to mention that both of them have this addition that you could set up your iPad or iPhone with it, and it has a rubber end. So it works for Droid too. Also included two of the fountain pens here in case you run out, and the batteries for the LED light. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. To turn on the light on this one, it's right here. All right, the best thing about the pen that I like is this little secret little compartment it has down here. It has a little Phillips, and then it has a flathead too on the end. That comes in handy, to be honest, especially if you don't have any tools and you're somewhere in the middle of nowhere, or you forget, but you always carry your pen. This is perfect. Measurements are in the actual pen.